Hello, welcome to All Tech Fusion and welcome back to our prompt engineering course series. In this session, we are combining two powerful tools, Code Copilot and Git. Git is an essential tool for developers. When we are developers, they may aware. So because it helping us manage and track code changes, collaborate with teams and keep our projects organized. But sometimes Git workflows can get tricky, like handling conflicts, managing branches, or even reverting the changes. With the help of AI powered Code Copilot, you can simplify these tasks and solve problems faster. Let's dive into some real world Git use cases you can tackle effortlessly with AI support. Before we jump into use cases, here's a quick overview of Git for those new to it. Okay, so we'll just take a glimpse means what is a Git and why we are using this. So Git is a version control system that helps developer to track changes in their code. It's widely used for managing collaborative projects, allowing multiple developers to work on the same code base effectively. So means that for that reason we are using a Git. Now key features of Git are like branching and merging. Developer can create a branches for feature or fixes, then merge them back into main code base. Commit history. Git keeps a track of logs, means all changes, making it easy to review or revert the changes. Collaboration. It helps teams work on the same project without overwriting each other's work. So that is the reason for why every organization is using Git actually for managing the code base. So now let's explore now how Code Copilot can simplify the common Git scenarios. Okay, so this is Code Copilot first of all, which is present in the Explore GPT. I will start a chat. So let's say you're rebasing a branch and you encountered a conflict with package log JSON file. So I will give a prompt to Copilot like this. I rebase my changes, accept all the remote changes. So you can see fetch the latest changes from remote, means origin, rebase your branch onto remote branch, resolve conflicts automatically, continue the rebase, push the rebase branch and notify. So you can see it is giving you the detailed steps to solve your conflicts. We'll try one more prompt here, that is how do I revert a merged branch in Git actually. So these problems developers may face many times. Means they merged the feature branch into main branch, but now they want to revert it because of some issues. Means any blocker issue is there in that code, like that something. So here you can see it is giving you the steps to revert the merged branch. Git log, you can check the logs. Means commit has two parent commits, then revert the merge commit using git revert dash m and merge commit option, then commit a revert, we can commit a revert, and example also it is giving. Do not delete the branch. It is giving you the suggestions as well, means notes which we need to keep in our mind while doing the things, important notes. Third question is the one who is just started using Git. How do I create a new branch? It means the freshers, the newly joined person, if they got one defect to solve and they want to create a new feature branch from the main branch. So they can ask this prompt to AI. AI will help you. You can check out the main branch, then you can create your new branch, and then like that you can do. Means freshers also can easily do the creation of branches and all. How do I resolve my merge conflicts? Again, everyone means whenever multiple developers are working on same requirement or same template, HTML template or Angular code. So in this case, what happened? Someone pushed their code, and we didn't took a pull actually. So at that time, whenever we are going to merge or push our changes also in same branch, at that time we may get the conflicts. So to solve the conflicts, AI is suggesting us the steps. You can see here, get status, modify, head, you can take the current changes or incoming changes, whichever is required, and you can push the changes. So like that, you can solve the conflicts. So this is also one of the step, because many times we encounter this error. Okay, how do I update an old pull request with the new changes? Means what happened? For example, I took a pull 2 months back, and I'm working on one of the major requirement which took almost 2 months, or not 2 months, or you can say 1 week. And within this 1 week, many other developers pushed their multiple changes in same branch. Okay, so at that time, how I can update my code, means my local code with the main branch. So for that, you can see git pull origin, and then you can commit your changes. After pull, it will directly get updated with the new code. And if any conflicts are there, we already saw how to solve the conflicts also. And then you can later you can push your changes with the commits. Then how do I fetch specific commit in Git? Okay, for example, what happened? Just take a scenario where multiple developers are working, but one of the developer uh, committed some code, and after the deployment, one blocker defect raised, and we are not able to find out because of whose commit that blocker is raised. But later we find out that this person committed the changes in by history. So we need to check, we need to take a check out of only that particular commit to verify whether only because of him this defect is raised or not. So for that, you can take fetch the specific commit. This is the command AI is suggesting us: git checkout branch and commit hash, git log, so inline, etc. etc. You can see here, and git fetch. Notes also it is providing. How do I revert a specific commit? So now we took the scenario where defect is raised because of particular commit or specific commit. So I now want to revert this specific commit, only that particular commit. So again, AI will suggest us how to do that. You can see here, git revert particular commit, git revert, new edit, then continue, abort, then push origin, like that. Also git revert, reverting multiple commits option is also there, and it is giving you the example as well for that. Then again, how do I enforce commit message? Means while committing, we should set some standards. Comment should be there, proper commit message should be there. So how to make sure that while doing the commit? So for that also, I'm just asking AI to give me the suggestions. So here you can see suggesting, it is suggesting pre commit hook for code formatting. It will means lint is there, yes lint, which will automatically format the code while committing. So no need to again and again, means bulk code will not be happen because of that. It will remove. Then automate hook installation, enforce with CI/CD pipeline, workflow for team, husky, etc. So it is giving multiple suggestions for that also. This is all about, means many prompts we tried for code, means this Code Copilot. So as you can see, Code Copilot and Git together, means actually with the help of Code Copilot, if you're having any issues in Git, so it is making development workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you are resolving conflicts, managing branches, or enforcing commits rules, AI can simplify every step. In the next session, we will explore another fascinating feature from ChatGPT. So we'll take your skills even further. So it says stay tuned. And if you want more details about these Git use cases, especially rewording changes or how to do this, integrate the lint and all, and or you're having any specific questions, let me know in the comments. I will create a separate video to cover them. I added a few more prompts in video description. You can take a look on that. Thank you for watching today's session. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials.